If your projects feature complex contouring and you want the flexibility to perform your sanding tasks wherever the need may be, look no further than the ShopFox D4594 and D4595 handheld pneumatic drum sanders. These unique rolling pin style sanders are a 2018 President's Special because of the functionality they offer shops of all sizes. Available in two convenient drum sizes, the D4594 features a 4-inch by 1 1/8 inch sanding drum, and the D4595 features a 7.5 by 2 1/4 inch sanding drum. Simply chuck the 3/8 inch spindle into a portable electric, cordless, or air-powered drill for easy two-handed control anywhere you need it, and are perfect for assembled projects or on-site installations where a stationary sander just won't cut it. The drum features a ball-bearing metal handle and air valve with easy access to the Schrader bicycle-style inflation valve. We offer a wide range of sanding sleeve options for the D4594 and the D4595, from 60 grit all the way to 320 grit for those mirror-like finishes. Expand your shop's sanding capabilities with these affordable drum sander options, available at grizzly.com.